First FK8 Type-R that we're doing on the channel. 2021 Civic Type-R, the blue on the bronze. If you guys want to argue with me about it, these are the best wheels ever made.
When in doubt, white it out.
Mugen spoiler,
Upgraded turbo.
Mugen taillight, upgraded turbo. We're gonna try to get him to do a burnout.
It's only a B series, bro. I shouldn't make power. This is life on Dixwell.
If he drops his transmission or his axle,
I'm gonna push it across the street.
What up guys, get excited. I know you guys see that behind me. My brother and I bought a 2021 Civic Type-R. Believe it or not, these cars are starting to grow on us. Before when they came out, I remember me and my brother didn't like them at all. Usually when a new car comes out, we kind of just like, we don't like it at first and then it starts to grow on you. If someone could drop in the comments, what color is this car? It's like, it looks almost like a matte blue. I don't know off the top of my head what it is. And would you guys like us to paint a hatchback this color? But brand new, it's not basically brand new, it has 3,000 miles, 2021 Civic Type-R, bone stock to start off with. We're gonna do a few modifications. I'll let my brother get into it, what we're gonna do, what the plans are with the car.
What's going on, guys? So,
yo, it's not an EG hatch.
Yeah, no, we want to keep the channel fresh. You know, I know you guys are tired of seeing the same type of cars. Between the NSX build and this one, I feel like, you know, show you guys what we can do. So like you said, we have the 21 Type-R here, Civic Type-R. First off, the first mod we're going to do to it is coilovers and a set of Mugen wheels. So the Mugen wheels that he dropped in the community are the ones that are going to be going on here. They're 18-inch wheels. We're going to be headed back to the shop now. I'm going to show you guys the parts that we have for it. And we're kind of taking step by step on this one. I want you guys to comment below, like after all said and done, what else should we do next? You guys want to see upgraded turbo, intercooler, exhaust? I feel like a lot of you guys that do watch the channel, a lot of people have these type of cars.
It's more relatable as far as this car, because like we get a lot of these cars in. They either have like the full PRL kits done to them, the Mugen kits done. This is something a little bit different for the channel.
Yeah, and like you said, it's more realistic. There's a lot of people out there with these type of cars. It's a great daily driver, and we just want to show you guys that we can work on all types of cars pretty much.
So 2021 Civic Type-R. All right, so we just looked up the name of the color of the car. It's Boost Blue Pearl. The tires on here, I've always told my brother that I think they come too low of a profile from factory. It has a 245/30/20 on here. If it was me, maybe I'd put a little bit of meteor tire. I think the wheels that we got for the car have a meaty fitment, but so far this car is all stock, all original, only has the window visors. But other than that, what do you guys think? Do you guys like these cars? Do you guys don't like them? I've seen a lot of issues when they first came out, like engine issues. I think if you're pushing it, I don't know yet. We haven't really played with this platform too much. We've seen a bunch of them, like I said, that come in the shop as far as what modifications done to them. Me personally, I really like the Mugen theme of these cars with the Mugen kits. Drop in the comments, what do you guys want to see? Like, what do you guys want to see us build? What do you guys want to see us put on this car? Because this car is kind of like one of those cars that we bought it to just do like coilovers and wheels, but sky's the limit. You know, we can do pretty much whatever. You guys want to see us install a PRL kit on here, upgraded turbos. We're gonna head back to the shop now. We're gonna put a set of coilovers on here, and then I'll show you guys the brand coilovers we bought and then the wheels. When these cars first came out, did you like them?
At first, no, but after getting them in the shop and working on them and seeing the cars in person, they start to grow on you and you start to like them a little bit. Honestly, it's a nice car. Honda did a pretty good job with this car. Yeah, a lot of people might not like the way it looks, but for what the car is, it's definitely a nice car.
And for the price point, they run, like you get a 17 for like 35 34 grand, 32 grand-ish right now. 2021, a little bit more money. In that price point, you can't get a better car, I think, for that money. Like for 35 grand-ish, I feel like this is a great car. And one of my favorite things that I love about this car is the rev match. And what I mean by that is, so shift fourth and then go back up to third. See, it revs up for you. It's like, it's one of my favorite things that these cars have. I know the older Civics, they need that. This car is great. We had a car here before that had like a full PRL kit. It had made like 500 horsepower, FK8. It was one of the best cars I've ever driven. If you mod these cars the right way and hook them up right, I think they look amazing. I think they drive great. The best bang for your buck is like for in that price range just to get an FK8. So we're heading back to the shop now. We're gonna install coilovers and then put the wheels on. And that'll be it for this video. You might see this car more later on the channel, just depending on what you guys say, what you guys recommend, what we should do to this car. But I think it'll be like a good video for the shop.
All right, so we're back at the shop. We got the coilovers out. We got the wheels out. Show you guys the wheels and the coilovers.
BCs.
We end up going with some BCs. It's a great coilover for what we're gonna be using the car for. This is great for daily driving. It's got adjustable dampening. You can adjust the camber from here. I think this is a really good coilover. I like these a little bit better than the TNs. Definitely a nice coilover.
We got the coilovers from AdamlZ. Get them at, I think, lzmfg.com. We paid, I think, like 1,200 bucks. My favorite part about this setup is gonna be the wheels.
So we went with some Mugen MF10s.
The best wheels ever made.
These are 18 by 9.5 plus 45. It's wrapped in a 255 4018 Falcon.
If you guys want to argue with me about it, these are the best wheels ever made. So we bought the Mugen wheels from a good friend of mine. They're brand new. They also came, I guess you have to buy these separate, the caps. So brand new rims, tires going on here, brand new coilovers. Mugen MF10s on this car are just gonna make it look so good. The blue on the bronze is just gonna be a nice finishing touch. So we're gonna get the car up in the air now. We're gonna put the coilovers on, put the rims and tires. We got lug nuts for it. We got all black lugs, set ride height. I can't wait to show you guys what it's gonna look like. I think it's gonna look good. First FK8 Type-R that we're doing on the channel. Let me know what you guys think. Boys, so one thing when buying the coilovers that I overlooked was this has electronic suspension. So if you put coilovers on, it'll throw the codes on. Teen sells a air cancellation kit. I think we just bought it just now for 300 bucks. One thing I didn't buy, so keep that in mind when you're installing coilovers to get that part also. They plug up to electronic suspension, so you don't have any codes on the dash. But yeah, when you're doing coilovers, make sure to get that. But this BC kit literally comes with all the links and stuff that you need. So I think we should be good right after that. while working on the FK8, some kid stopped by. I don't know what kind of swap he got in his EK, but we're gonna try to get him to do a burnout.
Yo, this is life on Dixwell.
If he drops his transmission or his axle,
I'm gonna push it across the street.
This dude's crazy.
A K-swap in there.
I'll tell you what, that boy got some good axles.
It's only a B series, bro. That shouldn't make power.
That's only a K.
I don't know.
That shit is B series. He unbolted the front of his header. You can see it hanging.
All right, I need you guys' honest opinion. The stock fog lights come clear, and look what my brother's doing.
Details, bro.
I don't know. I don't know.
Yellow fogs with the bronze wheel.
I don't know how I feel about that. Jarek, how do you feel about it?
Well, you're losing your touch.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, how do you feel?
I don't know.
You don't know,
I gotta
right?
see the wheels on.
Yeah, me too. I don't know how I
We'll
feel
just
about
leave
it.
one on one.
We'll leave it like this for now. So we'll bring the car down. What do you guys think? Those of you guys FK owners, do you guys have the yellow? Do you guys have the clear? Let us know. All right, here we go. We got the car all set up. Gonna put on alignment racks at ride height. First time out. The coilovers and wheels. Pretty low right now. Front needs to be lower. The back needs to be picked up. I think I like the yellow fogs. Now that looking at the car outside, but what do you guys think? Mugen wheels. This thing looks so good. Needs a little bit more lower in the front, maybe pick up the back just a tiny bit. Honest opinion, how do you feel about it?
I like it.
Like it?
Yeah.
All right, now
I don't know about the fog lights. So
fog lights, that yes or no for you?
I like the clear.
Like the clear? So we got two different options here. My brother likes the yellow. Either or will go for me, but I kind of like the yellow, but it doesn't quite match the wheels. It reminds me of like old school 92, 95 Civic fog lights. You know the ones that you put in? Like that style cover that you put in the bumper. It screams rice?
Yeah.
Oh.
You're a little ricer.
Hey, it was only 12 bucks on Amazon, so
It's not even official.
I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the yellow? Do you guys like the clear? Not too bad. I don't know how I feel about the wheels yet. Looks like it might need, it's too fishbowl for me. Might need some tints. My brother's thinking about putting CEs on here. I don't know yet. It's up in the air right now. We're gonna set the ride height, kind of just go from there. He was thinking about taking this, I don't know if this is removable, the red. I don't really know how I feel about that. It's a little bit too much color, if that makes sense. Usually, I don't know if we could smoke these out or paint match these, but I don't know. It looks okay.
What kind of wheels this thing needs?
I already know.
White Motegis.
White Motegis.
When in doubt, white it out.
All right, boys, let me know what you guys think. So tomorrow we are gonna set ride height, give the car alignment, but pretty much the car's gonna stay in this state. Drop in the comments, let me know what you guys think of the overall look of the car. Do you guys like the Mugen wheels? Do you think it'll look better on CEs? I don't know how I feel about the fog light yet. Does it need any tints? I think a Mugen kit on here would look good with the Mugen wing, Mugen tail lights. I don't know, maybe it'll be too much blue, but I don't know, drop it in the comments. Appreciate you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Something a little bit different. It's not an EG hatchback. Also, do you guys wanna see us paint an EG hatchback this color? I think one would look super, super good. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Appreciate you guys. All right, this couldn't have came at a better time. Before we close this video out, this is exactly, I just got the CTR. This is exactly how I envisioned doing this car right here. Let me know if you guys like this. This car has like the full Mugen kit, Mugen spoiler, Mugen taillight, has the CE28s, all the Mugen parts up here. Car looks so good. I just recently picked this car up, but this car already came like this. All Mugen parts, Mugen lip. This car is just, it's too good. So I was thinking about doing this same setup on here, but I don't know. I don't want to have two of the same cars. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like this look? My brother was saying it would have been too much blue. That's why he didn't really want to do this. That's why we didn't order any of those parts. This looks good because the black offsets everything. I feel like all this in blue, it would kind of clash. But let me know what you guys think. This is great that this car came in so you guys can get kind of a comparison, because look at this. This looks like so good as it sits. And then look at that. This is more of like a factory looking, like good looking car. And this just gives it that extra touch to me, in my personal opinion. Everything in the front, it just looks mean. It looks good. It's gonna look good coming down the road. But drop in the comments, let me know what you guys think.
All right guys, so that's a wrap for this one. I'm gonna turn the camera now, show you guys the car. Car is pretty much complete. We put the sensors in, we adjusted the ride height, did alignment on the car, so it's perfect now. And we installed the front lip as well. So I'm gonna show you guys the car real quick. Check it out. I think the car looks a lot better now. Put some tire shine on there. I did remove the pinstripe. Wasn't really feeling the pinstripe on the car. I still gotta just take the glue off of there. Other than that, I think the car looks good. Like I said, we put a front lip on. I did finish installing the yellow fog light covers. I think it looks good. Gives the car a different look, but the color in this car is so good. The camera just picks up the color a little bit different. Check it out. I'm gonna give you guys a montage before the video ends, and I want you guys to comment below, what do you guys think of the build? Do you guys like the wheels? Or what else would you guys do to this car? Would you guys put a Mugen lip kit, Mugen tail lights, upgraded turbo? I'm not gonna K-swap this car, so don't say K-swap. But yeah, just leave in the comments down below.